Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you built your site with Hostinger website builder and you want to connect it using DNS records instead of name services, this guide is exactly what you need in 2026. This method is common when you want to keep DNS managed at your registrar or Cloudflare, okay? Cloudflare while hosting the site on Hostinger. So most failures happen because people miss or mixed records or miss one value, so we will not. In this step-by-step guide, I will show you how to connect Hostinger websites builder using DNS records in 2026 like a pro. So first thing first, log into Hostinger, go to website. So you have to upgrade your account, okay? Open domains, then connect domain. Choose connect via DNS records. Hostinger will show you values similar to like a record IPv4 or CNAME www. Okay, so copy these exactly as shown, no guessing. So now open your DNS manager, go to platform where DNS is managed, domain registrar, Cloudflare, custom DNS provider, open DNS settings or DNS records. All edits happen here. Okay, so set or edit the A record. Okay, type A, name, point, TTL. Okay, so if another E record exists for replace it. This connects your domain.com to Hostinger. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.